Are you ready?
No.
Joffrey, you almost hit me, but now it's my turn. I'm gonna put my arrow in my bow. And Joffrey, hold on to your hat. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You broke my hat, Jake. Buy me a new one. I don't care. Bye-bye. Come back here. We will show you how to make a paper bow and arrow. And I have a surprise for you. What is it? We don't have to make the bow and arrow. Our dad has to make the bow and arrow. Okay, and I have a surprise for you too. What is it? I'm gonna shoot you with this bow and arrow. But I'm gonna run to the sofa and slap you with a pillow. Okay. Here's are the tools and materials that we need to make a bow and arrow. First, roll the white paper like a straw and make 5 of these straws. Cut 4 of them into shorter straws and leave the last one for the arrow. Stick 2 short straws together with glue. Repeat the same as the other 2 short straws. Take the 2 cardboard and stick them together with glue. Cut out 2 small strips from the color paper and stick them on the cardboard. Dad, are you finished with your bow and arrow?
Almost finished.
Okay. Now we can stick everything together with glue. Bend both ends until it turns into the shape of a bow. Cut a small crease on both ends and make sure to ask a grown-up to do it for you. Get a string and tie it tightly onto the creases on both ends. Now the bow is finished. Get a small piece of color paper, fold it into a small triangle and then stick it to the last straw to form the arrow. Now we can start practicing our archery. I hope you enjoy making these bow and arrow. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye. Now it's my turn to shoot you. Okay, bye bye. Oh wait.